All right, you guys. So we are on day 2 of Advent calendars. All right, so we're gonna start with the cheese. Gerald wants. Let's see. Where's number 2? Oh, up here. Okay. Let's see what day 2 cheese calendar is about. This one is Minolette, something, you guys. Let's see what it says here. Day 2. Yeah, that's just what it is. Thought it would give me like a little extra info. I don't know what this one is, but let's try it. Let's see. That's what it's looking like. All right. What do you think? It's like a sharp cheddar. I don't know if I'm getting a lot. Oh, it's a little bit bitter. Yeah, at the end there, it's a little bitter. So I'm not sure what it is. You want it? I'm not in love. Is that sure? It's not bad. I just don't like the bitter. Wait. Oh, so the Minolette cheese. Well, it just gives the ingredients. I thought it was gonna give me like a description of what it was, but no. Okay, so Joel's gonna do his chocolate. He's gonna enjoy the cheese and chocolate once we're done here. Day 2, where is day 2 for yours? Yeah, we're all over the place trying to find these numbers, you guys. I don't know where 2 is. You found it? Okay. All right, so day 2 is what? Which one? Oh, this one. Snickerdoodle flavored truffle. So show. Snickerdoodle. Okay. Tastes like snickerdoodle? Tastes good? That's all he says, you guys, right? Tastes good. All right, so I'm gonna do my chocolate and wine. Okay, so time for the chocolate one. I'm gonna try this chocolate day number 2. Where are you? Like I said, you guys, it is a struggle. Okay, trying to find these days. Day number 2. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Number 2 is a little bit hard to get out. It's just breaking apart at this point, you guys. Because the chocolate is in like a... Oh my gosh, it is breaking apart. This one isn't the easiest to get out. The thing is too tiny. Okay, so... that's what it is. So this today is... oh... medallion hazelnut milk chocolate hazelnut praline topped with caramelized almonds. This one is good. My favorite almond. Oh, this one is good. I like this. I want a couple more of these. Yeah, this one is really good. If you haven't tried Aldi chocolates, these Belgian chocolates, like straight from Belgium, you guys are missing out. Aldi chocolate is bomb, and they're always inexpensive. Like these weren't inexpensive, but the normal chocolate, you just buy like a candy bar, you get decent price on them. All right, so let's do the wine. Okay, I'm gonna try to drag. Try to drag this. Open this wine, number 2. Okay, number 2 right here. Oh, can I get my glass, Joe? Number 2. Ooh, okay, we have... you guys, look, I don't know what to tell you this is. I cannot pronounce this. Palancini. I have no idea what this is. Like I said, when I drink wine, I drink sweet wines. Okay, so that not very close, right? I drink sweet wines. Okay, day 2 is, I'm trying to read the box here. Day 2, it's Italian Abruzzo Trebbiano. It's the Italian Abruzzo Trebbiano. Okay, that's what it is. I don't even know what that is, but it's a white. So let us try this. Did I show you? Yeah. Let's try this white. All right. Oh, see, I'm doing that. All right, clink, clink. All right, let's, okay. Ooh, it's not sweet at all, but it's less dry than the one yesterday, I think. But I like this one. I like this a lot. I do prefer whites. I've been noticing when I drink wine, I prefer whites. The chocolate is in my nail here, you guys. It's not dirty. But this one is nice. This one actually surprised me because I don't know what it is, what it's supposed to be, but it's on the sweeter side. I like this one. All right, so I'm gonna go sip my wine, eat my chocolate, and chill. See you in the next one. Bye.